Hello, and welcome back to the SV Studio. I'm Shane Richardson, a design engineer with SV Microwave, and today I'm going to talk to you about some of the strain relief options that we have available. RF cables can easily be damaged if not handled correctly. Rough maneuvering and extreme bending lead to kinks in the cable braid and damage in the solder joint between the cable and the cable connector. To alleviate this, we've developed a line of strain relief products. To combat severe flexing, bending, or pulling on the cable, we offer a line of extended ferrule RF cable connectors. These feature a longer ferrule that protects the solder joint. When soldering a connector to a cable, the solder will wick up the cable braid, creating a rigid section immediately behind the connector. If this area is flexed, the solder has wicked up the braid will crack and break. With an extended ferrule, this fragile area is protected by moving the bend location farther down the cable. This is most useful on a smaller diameter 047 flexible cable that sees regular flexing. Our RF strain relief boot and strain relief cable assemblies feature an external accessory that is assembled onto the connector and prevents the cable from overbending. This protects the cable braid from damage and kinks, as well as providing an ergonomic finger grip. The boot can be used with any of our interfaces in both 047 and 087 standard and low loss cable assemblies. These products are readily available on our website, www.svmicrowave.com, and if you have any questions, get in contact at applications@svmicro.com.